Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to a Defi lending platform. And for this video I'll be using crypto.com. So first open KuCoin, go over to the asset section, tap on funding at the top of the screen, then tap on withdraw. So go ahead and choose the coin you'll be using. I'll be using USDT. Then you'll be taken to this page. You'll have to go to crypto.com for the wallet address. So go ahead and open crypto.com and tap on deposit. Then tap on crypto as your method of deposit. Now make sure you select the same coin that you selected in KuCoin. For me that's USDT. Then select a network and tap on share address. After you select the network, which I recommend you choose ERC20, then just copy the wallet address. Now go back over to KuCoin and paste the wallet address. Select the same network, which is ERC20, then enter your withdrawal amount. Then press withdraw, and that should be it. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing to support the channel.